Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic in the world of blockchain technology, decentralized sequences in Layer 2 solutions. If you're curious about how these innovations are shaping the future of scaling blockchains, you're in the right place. So, let's jump right in. Before we get too deep into the technical details, let me ask you this. What would happen if we could process thousands of transactions per second without relying on a single entity to manage it all? Sounds intriguing, right? Well, that's exactly where decentralized sequences come into play. To understand decentralized sequences, let's first clarify what Layer 2 solutions are. In simple terms, Layer 2 refers to protocols built on top of a blockchain that aim to improve scalability and reduce transaction costs. Think of it as a separate layer that handles transactions off the main blockchain, allowing for faster processing without congesting the network. Now, centralized sequences, which have been commonly used, are entities that determine the order in which transactions are processed and added to the blockchain. This is crucial because the order can affect everything from transaction fees to the potential for double spending attacks. However, a centralized sequencer can become a single point of failure, which contradicts the core ethos of decentralization. Enter decentralized sequencers. These are unique in that they distribute the task of transaction ordering across multiple nodes, rather than relying on one single entity. This means that no single party has control over the entire process, enhancing security and trust within the network. Let's break this down further with an example. Imagine a busy highway with lots of cars trying to merge into a single lane. If only one traffic light controls the flow, it can lead to bottlenecks and delays. Now, imagine if several traffic lights were working together, each making decisions based on real-time data about traffic conditions. This collaborative approach to managing the flow of traffic is similar to how decentralized sequencers operate. One prominent example of this technology is optimistic rollups, which are a type of L2 solution that leverage decentralized sequencers. In optimistic rollups, transactions are initially processed off-chain and then bundled together and submitted to the Layer 1 chain. This method reduces the load on the main blockchain while maintaining the integrity of the data through periodic checks. According to recent data, Layer 2 solutions like optimistic rollups can achieve transaction speeds that are hundreds of times faster than Layer 1 solutions while reducing transaction fees significantly. For instance, Ethereum transactions on Layer 1 can sometimes cost upwards of $15 during peak times, whereas Layer 2 solutions can bring that down to mere cents. This is a game changer for everyday users and developers who want to build more scalable applications without breaking the bank. But how do decentralized sequencers ensure fair transaction ordering? They often use consensus mechanisms or algorithms that allow multiple nodes to agree on the transaction order. This not only enhances security but also enables greater transparency. Everyone involved can see the transaction history and verify that the processing was done correctly. Another important aspect to highlight is the role of cryptographic proofs. When transactions are bundled and sent back to the Layer 1 chain, they often include proofs that validate the correctness of the transactions processed off-chain. This way, even if there's a dispute, the system can refer back to these proofs to ensure that the correct transaction history is maintained. Developers and users alike have praised decentralized sequencers for their ability to enhance scalability while maintaining the decentralized nature of blockchain technology. For instance, projects like ZK Rollups utilize zero-knowledge proofs to ensure that transactions can be verified without revealing any sensitive information. This not only scales the network but also maintains user privacy, another win-win situation. But let's not forget the importance of community governance. As decentralized sequencers gain traction, the community often plays a critical role in decision-making processes. This means that users can have a say in how the sequencers operate, helping to uphold transparency and fairness. To wrap things up, decentralized sequencers in Layer 2 solutions represent a crucial step forward in the evolution of blockchain technology. By distributing the transaction ordering process, they enhance security, improve scalability, and maintain the ethos of decentralization that blockchain was built upon. With benefits like reduced transaction costs and increased speeds, it's clear that these innovations have the potential to change the way we interact with digital currencies and decentralized applications. So, what do you think about decentralized sequences? Are you excited about the future of Layer 2 solutions? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest in blockchain technology. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.